Welcome to this guide on how to customize meeting reminders in Hubspot. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step from logging in to editing reminders that improve communication with your clients and teams. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Click on the login button and enter your account details. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that process as well. This ensures a secure login before you start making changes. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard, also known as the Home section. This area gives you a full overview of your activities and acts as a central hub for all HubSpot tools. Next, look for the library in the navigation menu. Depending on your account setup, this may appear under Sales or Marketing. Inside the library, you'll find the Meeting Scheduler, which is the key tool for managing your meeting reminders. Open the Meeting Scheduler page, and from here, you can manage all of your meeting settings. Locate the meeting you want to update and click the Edit button next to it. Now, you'll see the reminder customization options. You can adjust the timing of reminders, for example, sending them 1 hour before the meeting or even a day in advance. This flexibility allows you to tailor reminders to fit your audience's schedules and habits. Finally, once you're satisfied with your settings, make sure to save your changes. This step ensures that your customized reminders are active and effective. And that's it. You've successfully customized your meeting reminders in HubSpot. By taking the time to personalize these notifications, you'll boost attendance, improve communication, and keep your meetings running smoothly.